So now we're going to show you how to create a benefit category. This is the first thing you need to do to get started with SmartBenefits. And right now we've logged in, we're at our home page. From here you'll click Program Management, Benefit Category, and that brings you to the benefit category page. As you can see, we've already created a number of benefit categories, but we need to do at least one more. So we're going to click the New Benefit Category button, and that'll take us to step one of the process. First thing you do is enter a short description, which is called the category type, and you want something meaningful because that's what's going to show up on other screens in the system. Let's assume we want to create a category that has a $200 transit benefit and a $50 parking benefit. So we'll type in T200, P50 for 200 transit and 50 parking, and then we can type in a longer description in the category description. So we'll put in transit 200, and we're going to put in NR for non-rollover. I'll talk about that in a moment. And then we'll put in parking $50 NR for non-rollover. The default setting is eligible, which means you can assign this benefit category to your participant SmartTrip cards. You would typically not mark something not eligible until you no longer wanted to use this particular benefit category. So we'll click Save. And that takes us to step two, where we're defining the benefit. Here, the benefit type defaults to transit non-rollover, which is what we were looking for. So we'll put in 200, no pennies, please. We'll click Save. And so we've saved the first part of the benefit category. Now we want to add parking. So we'll click the drop down and we'll pick parking non-rollover. We'll put in 50 and we'll click Save. And now we're done. And I should point out, each time you've got a success message up at the top. We'll click Finish. And we've now created a benefit category. So now you've created a new benefit category. As you can see, all the information you entered describing the category appears at the top. The category is still marked eligible. On the bottom of the page, you have each of the benefit types that you selected. In this case, we selected transit non-rollover and parking non-rollover, and as you can see, there's the $200 and the $50 that we entered previously. Now would be a good time to explain the difference between rollover benefits and non-rollover benefits. Typically, employers that provide the commuter benefit directly to their employees set up non-rollover benefit types. So by non-rollover, it means if the employee received $200 and they were on vacation this month and only used 100 of the 200, then the $100 remaining amount would be automatically rolled over back to your employer account as a credit for use against future SmartBenefits orders. If it's rollover money, then the benefit, that $100 benefit that did not get used, would stay on the employee's card. And normally, rollover is selected when there's a payroll deduction and the money is coming from the employee to cover the benefits. Back to the benefit category page, you can see now right here, there's your T200, P50. There's the full description. It's eligible. You can see that the benefit amount, the total benefit amount is $250. As we add employees to the category, the enrolled count here will update. So that lets you see if a category has any employees in it. And in fact, once we do add an employee, you'll be able to click on the number here and you'll be able to see exactly which SmartTrip cards are added to the particular benefit category. Suppose instead of creating a new benefit category, you want to modify an existing benefit category. That's easy to do. You simply click on the link under the benefit category column, and it brings you to the same page you just saw previously with creating a new benefit category. And we just click Change. And here we can change the dollar amount. So we could change this from $1 to $20. And we click Save. We get the message that everything's okay. We click back. We can see right here the change was made to $20. Since we made that change, we may want to change our description up here to $20. We'll click Save. Again, everything has been saved successfully. We go back to our benefit category page, and you can see right now there are the changes right there. $20 non-rollover for the description and $20 in the actual benefit amount. And that's all there is to it.